Yes, Mohit, how can I help you?
Basically, I heard from expert that private banking space has been down for quite some time now, but because everybody is expecting it to rise, so it would be the last to rise in the market. I don't know if it makes sense, but usually I have seen many stocks like HDFC Bank and many other banks. That but movement is not that huge. Especially that's why I raised HDFC Bank. I already invest, but I don't see any momentum in it right now. That's why I asked regarding HDFC Bank in my earlier comment.
Okay, with stocks, you have to understand different personalities in the market. There are stocks that are slow movers, there are stocks that are fast movers, some stocks are momentum movers, some stocks are super trenders. For example, Motilal Oswal Financial Services is a super trending stock. Once it gets into a trend, it stays in that trend for extended period of time. On the other hand, HDFC Bank is not a super trending stock, it's a momentum mover and also a slow mover. Those are safer stocks. With respect to private bank, now if you look at the overall Bank Nifty index, 2 days ago it broke below the key support level. So I think HDFC Bank will at some point experience an upside, but there is a little bit more correction left. So yes, I think momentum is overdue, but will take longer to unfold.
Thank you.